Welcome back to a new episode of Mastering Programming. In today's episode, we'll simply create an array which accepts any type of data, integers, strings, or doubles. So straight away, let's go ahead and create an array as a variable, and I'm gonna call that new array. And inside of here, all I'm gonna do is simply say any, and then declare it as an array. And there you go. Now you have a new array which accepts any type of objects. And to show you, I'm gonna add inside of here an integer, I'm gonna add a double, and I'm going to add a string. And let's print this so you can see that it's actually accepting all forms of data. And there you go. It prints out all the forms that we've inserted. It printed the integer, printed the double, and also the string. You can actually access each one of those as their own type. Thanks so much for watching. This was a quick one just because I forgot to actually mention this in the arrays tutorial. And wait for next episode. Have a good day.